Welcome back to 4K Tech. I'd like to share with all of you an easy way to move the cursor on your iPhone or iPad to correct an error. Simply press and hold the space bar down to move the cursor. Example, as we walk down the street, a dog ran out from the bushes, but I want to put a brown dog ran out from the bushes, scaring us half to death. The dog was brown with vampire-like teeth. So I don't need brown again, so I'll just move my cursor this way. I hope this tip has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.